5 tips for beginner students who want to learn a new language. First, schedule. Set a time in a day that is dedicated to learn a new language. Second, find a fun way. Make your learning process interesting. Different people find different ways that are beneficial for them, so find your own. Third, talk with native speaker. I think this is one of the most important if you want to learn a new language. In initial days, it might be challenging, but after some times you will benefit it a lot. And nowadays, it is very easy to find native speakers on internet. Fourth, talk with partner. Find a proper partner with whom you can do a conversation or you can do a practice. It will not only help you to deal with laziness, but it also helps you to motivate each other. And last and fifth, set goals. If you want to complete your course or learning process in decided or short time, then I would suggest you that you should make small and big goals. For example, I will complete all my grammar related chapters in 2 months.